Hello everyone, my name is Rahat Mirani and I am from Noble Migration and Education. So today we'll be talking about how to download your super fun details from the ATO website. So go to Google, search online services ATO and you will get the first link. And once you open the website, you have to go to login into my ATO. So you have to click individuals since it's an individual tax returns or individual super funds. And then you will see your dashboard like this. There's tax, super, employment, and my profile. So just go to super since we want the fund details. So we'll click on fund details and you will see like this. Since this is my account, I have two super accounts, Australian Super and Hesta Super. So you want to download all the fund details. So you will just click on that particular super account and you will see your details and go to print friendly version. And you can see there is a print button here. Just print it and save it. That's how you are going to get your Australian super details. And it's quick, it's easy. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.